Which emotions may negatively impact your ability to drive well? Happy, angry, depressed. B and C, correct answer. Fines are tripled when infractions occur within a school zone or construction zone. True. False. False. Parking is not allowed in the following areas: within 15 feet of a fire hydrant, in front of driveways, on sidewalks. All of the above. You may not pass when at intersections. A solid yellow line is painted on your side of the center line. Within a 100 feet of a bridge or railroad crossing. All of the above. Drivers under the age of 18 who accumulate 4 or more points within a 12-month period will have their license revoked. Have their license restricted for 1 year to business driving only. A and B only. None of the above. Above. A DUI conviction will remain on your driving record for 75 years. True. False. False. Law only requires passengers in the front seat to wear seat belts. True. False. False. On a 4-lane road, only drive in the left lane if you are overtaking and passing another vehicle. True. False. False. A license must be revoked if you are found guilty of or DMV records show driving under the influence of alcohol, drugs or other controlled substances. Not stopping to give assistance when your vehicle in a crash causes death or personal injury. 3. Major offenses or 15 offenses for which you receive points within a 5-year period. All of the above. Above. Zero tolerance states that any driver under 21 years of age who refuses to take a breath analyzer test will automatically have their license suspended for 1 year. True. False. False. Prescription drugs never affect your ability to drive. True. False. False. No-fault law states drivers must have insurance policies with a minimum of $10,000 for personal injury protection, PIP, and $10,000 for property damage liability, PDL. True. False. If you break the law or become an unsafe driver, your license can be suspended, revoked, cancelled. All of the above. Driving is a privilege, and if one of the following conditions occurs, you could lose your license. Your license is suspended or revoked in any state. Drug or alcohol addiction. All of the above. None of the above. A license can be suspended if you do not stop for a school bus. You do have insurance on your vehicle. You fail to pay child support. All of the above. The implied consent law means you have agreed to take a blood, urine or breath test if requested by a law enforcement officer who suspects you're under the influence of alcoholic beverages or drugs. True. False. False. It takes 30 minutes for alcohol to reach your brain and affect your judgment while driving. True. False. If you plan to drink alcohol while out, plan ahead so you do not drink and drive by. Appoint a designated driver who is not drinking. Use public transportation or a cab. A or B. None of the above. Above. Your license can be suspended if you receive 12 points within a 12-month period, 18 points within a 18-month period, 24 points within a 36-month period. All of the above. Of. If you double the speed of a car, you increase its force of impact by underscore times 0, 1, 4, 20. People who drive after drinking may risk heavy fines, loss of license, jail sentence. All of the above. It takes 3 alcoholic drinks to affect your driving. True. False. False. If you are in a traffic accident, it is your responsibility to stop. Report the crash. Move your car if it is blocking traffic. All of the above. Zero tolerance states that any driver under 21 years of age who has a breath or blood alcohol level of 0.02 or higher will automatically have their driving privilege suspended for 1 year. True. False. If you do not have the proper motor vehicle insurance, your license can be suspended for up to 30 days, up to 1 year, up to 3 years. Not at all. All. Which of the following violations could put you in jail? Giving false statements to an officer or in a courtroom. Failing to make a crash report. Allowing an unlicensed person to use your car. All of the above. You are required to have the following motor vehicle insurance: financial responsibility law, no fault law, homeowners insurance. A and B only. B only. At stop signs, you must yield the right-of-way to all other traffic and pedestrians. True. False. What is the number one violation drivers are convicted of? Running a stop sign, speeding, talking on a cell phone, passing illegally. Drug and alcohol consumption shows effects such as perfect vision, slow reaction, impaired judgment. B and C only. Alcohol affects people negatively by improving their judgment, slowing reflex and reaction time, sharpening vision, improving car control. On a two-way street or highway, if a school bus is stopped and has the bus signal on, you must stop until the bus signal has been withdrawn. Stop, then proceed with caution. No need to stop, just slow down when passing the bus. None of the above. When passing another vehicle, you should stay a safe distance behind the vehicle you're going to pass. Give your signal before changing lanes. Return to the right side of the road once you see the vehicle you passed in your rear-view mirror. All of the above. Your license can be suspended for 30 days if you receive 12 points in 1 year, 20 points in 1 year, 25 points in 2 years, 30 points in 2 years. Who has the right of way? The driver on the right. The driver on the left. No one. Everyone.